The watermelon field is carefully prepared before planting. The soil has been tilled and leveled. Irrigation lines are placed precisely along each row, ensuring controlled water distribution for future growth.
A soil sample is taken from the prepared field. The depth and structure of the soil are examined to ensure proper nutrient balance and moisture conditions for watermelon cultivation.
The field undergoes deep plowing to loosen compacted layers of soil. This process improves aeration and prepares the ground for strong root development in future watermelon plants. After deep plowing, the soil surface is leveled using a harrow. Large clods are broken down into finer particles, creating a uniform planting bed suitable for watermelon cultivation. Organic fertilizer is applied evenly across the prepared field. This enriches the soil with nutrients essential for strong watermelon growth and healthy root development. Raised planting beds are formed across the field. This structure improves drainage, soil warmth, and root development for future watermelon plants.
Drip irrigation lines are installed along each raised bed. The system ensures precise and efficient water delivery directly to the root zone of future watermelon plants.
Watermelon seeds are carefully selected before planting. Only uniform, undamaged seeds are chosen to ensure strong and consistent germination. Selected watermelon seeds are soaked in warm water. This process helps soften the seed coat and improves the rate of germination. Seedling trays are filled with prepared growing substrate. Each cell is leveled carefully to provide a uniform environment for watermelon seed germination. Each watermelon seed is planted into individual cells at a controlled depth. Proper placement ensures uniform germination and healthy early root development.
The planted seed trays receive their first watering. Controlled moisture activates the seeds and initiates the germination process. Within days, watermelon seedlings begin to emerge. The young stems push through the soil as the first leaves unfold and reach toward the light. As the seedlings mature, their first true leaves develop. Strong stems and healthy leaf growth indicate proper early development before transplanting to the field. The seedlings have reached transplanting stage. Strong stems and developed root systems prepare the young watermelon plants for transfer to the open field.
Seedlings are transplanted into the prepared raised beds. Each plant is positioned beside the irrigation line to ensure direct access to water and nutrients.
After transplanting, the irrigation system is activated. Controlled water delivery ensures that each young watermelon plant receives precise moisture at the root zone.
As the plants establish themselves in the field, vegetative growth accelerates. Stems strengthen and vines begin extending across the soil surface. Watermelon plants enter the flowering stage. Pollination occurs naturally as insects transfer pollen between blossoms, enabling fruit development. Following successful pollination, a small fruit begins to form behind the flower. Over time, this young watermelon will expand and mature on the vine. The watermelon fruit expands steadily on the vine. As it gains size and weight, it rests directly on the soil while continuing to mature.
The watermelon reaches full size as it matures on the vine. Its rind hardens and the characteristic stripe pattern becomes fully defined, signaling approaching harvest readiness.
Each watermelon is inspected in the field. The ground spot color and the condition of the stem help determine optimal harvest timing. When the fruit reaches optimal maturity, it is carefully cut from the vine. Proper harvesting preserves quality and prevents damage to the rind.
After cutting, each watermelon is carefully lifted and placed into ventilated crates. Gentle handling helps preserve the integrity of the rind during harvest. Harvested watermelons are sorted directly in the field. Fruits are grouped by size to ensure consistent quality during packaging and distribution. Filled crates are loaded onto transport trailers. Careful stacking ensures stability and protects the fruit during movement from the field.
The harvested watermelons are transported from the field to the sorting facility. Stable movement and secure stacking help maintain fruit quality during transit.
The harvested watermelons arrive at the sorting facility. Here, they will undergo inspection and preparation for distribution.
At the sorting facility, harvested crates are unloaded and placed onto the intake conveyor. The process prepares the fruit for inspection and grading.
The harvested watermelons are gently transferred onto the conveyor belt. Controlled handling minimizes impact and preserves fruit quality during sorting. Each watermelon passes through an automatic weighing station. Accurate measurement ensures consistent grading and packaging standards.
Before further grading, each watermelon is gently rinsed. Surface cleaning removes residual soil while preserving the integrity of the rind.
After washing, the watermelons pass through a controlled air drying section. This step prepares the fruit for accurate visual inspection and grading.
Each watermelon undergoes manual visual inspection. Careful examination ensures that only high-quality fruit proceeds to the next stage of grading.
Graded watermelons are carefully packed into distribution bins. Structured placement prevents damage and ensures stability during transport.
Texture and seed distribution confirm proper ripeness and sweetness. Laboratory testing verifies sugar concentration in selected samples. Measuring sweetness ensures consistent quality across the harvest. Selected watermelons are processed through automated cutting. Precise slicing prepares the fruit for portioning and fresh packaging. In the processing line, the red flesh is separated from the rind. Careful trimming ensures clean cuts and consistent portion quality. Fresh watermelon cubes are portioned into clear containers. Controlled filling maintains consistent weight and presentation quality. The filled containers are sealed with a protective film. Secure packaging preserves freshness and prevents contamination during distribution. Sealed containers are arranged into shipping cartons. Structured packing ensures stability and protection throughout cold chain distribution. Shipping cartons are stacked onto pallets and secured with stretch film. Proper stabilization protects the packaged watermelon products during storage and transport.
Palletized cartons are loaded into refrigerated trucks. Temperature-controlled transport preserves freshness throughout distribution.
At the retail store, whole watermelons and fresh-cut portions are displayed for customers. Proper arrangement ensures visual appeal and easy selection.
Customers examine whole watermelons before purchase. Visual inspection and surface firmness help determine ripeness and quality. At home, the watermelon is sliced open. The bright red interior and crisp texture signal. The watermelon separates cleanly into two halves. The vibrant interior and evenly distributed seeds confirm its quality.
Vibrant color and crisp texture make the fruit ready to enjoy.
Fresh watermelon slices are arranged for serving. The vibrant color and crisp texture make the fruit ready to enjoy.
A freshly cut watermelon slice is enjoyed. The crisp texture and natural sweetness are revealed with each bite. The freshly exposed surface reveals the natural structure of the fruit. Moisture and texture highlight its ripeness and freshness. Seeds are carefully removed from the slice. The firm yet delicate texture of the flesh remains intact during handling.
A large slice is held with both hands. The fruit's size and vibrant color reflect the freshness of the harvest.
Freshly cut watermelon cubes are gathered into a serving bowl. Their uniform shape and vibrant color emphasize the fruit's quality. Fresh watermelon cubes are stored under refrigeration. Controlled cooling preserves texture and maintains freshness before serving. The chilled watermelon is removed from refrigeration. Cooling enhances its crisp texture and refreshing quality. Chilled watermelon cubes are served with ice. The contrast in temperature enhances their refreshing character. Watermelon cubes are blended into fresh juice. The smooth consistency preserves the fruit's natural sweetness and hydration. Fresh watermelon juice is poured into a glass. The smooth liquid retains the fruit's natural color and refreshing character.
Ice cubes are added to the freshly prepared juice. The cooling effect enhances its refreshing quality.
Watermelon cubes are combined with mint and feta cheese. The contrast of sweet, fresh, and savory elements creates a balanced dish.
Watermelon cubes are added to a mixed fruit salad. The combination creates a balanced blend of color, texture, and natural sweetness.
Spherical portions are shaped from the watermelon flesh. Uniform presentation enhances both texture and visual appeal. Watermelon cubes are layered with yogurt to create a simple dessert. The contrast in color and texture highlights the fruit's freshness. Fresh watermelon is served outdoors on a warm day. The fruit's color and texture reflect the natural cycle from field to table. After serving, remaining rind and trimmed pieces are collected. Even these parts can be repurposed or composted. The remaining flesh is separated from the rind. This step prepares the outer layer for further reuse or processing. The rind strips are simmered in water. Controlled heating softens the texture in preparation for further processing. The softened rind simmers in sugar syrup. Gradual heating transforms the texture and prepares it for preservation. The preserved rind is poured into sterilized glass jars. Proper filling ensures safe storage and long-term preservation. The sealed jars are left to cool gradually. As the temperature stabilizes, the preserve settles and becomes ready for storage. The blended juice is strained through a fine sieve. Filtration removes excess pulp and refines the texture.
The refined watermelon juice is transferred into a pitcher. Clear filtration enhances its smooth consistency and visual clarity. Fresh watermelon cubes are placed into the freezer. Freezing extends shelf life and allows new culinary uses.
After freezing, the watermelon cubes become firm and crystalline. This transformation enables extended storage and alternative preparations. Frozen watermelon cubes are used as a cooling ingredient. Their firm structure allows them to chill beverages while slowly releasing flavor.
Frozen watermelon cubes are prepared for blending. Their firm texture allows transformation into a smooth frozen dessert.
The frozen cubes are blended into a dense sorbet. The transformation creates a smooth and refreshing frozen dessert.
The blended sorbet is shaped into a serving portion. Its dense texture and vibrant color reflect the fruit's natural sweetness.
As the drink rests in warm air, condensation forms on the glass surface. The temperature contrast enhances its refreshing appeal. Leftover watermelon rinds are added to compost. Organic waste returns nutrients to the soil, continuing the natural cycle.
Over time, organic matter begins to decompose. Watermelon rinds gradually break down and blend into nutrient-rich compost.